everyone, welcome back to another video. I have done about 4 disaster pours this morning already. Look at this mess. I'm just going to do a painting right over that. I'm almost scared to show you this painting because I've got paint all over my hands. But this is the dried results of the ribbon pour we did last weekend. It is now dry. It's got a lot of metallics in it. I'm going to be putting just a thin coat of varnish over this one, and then I will photograph it and put it in my Etsy shop. It didn't work, so I did it again and it didn't work, and I did it again and it didn't work, and this is the 4th attempt and still didn't work. So you know what, sometimes you've just got to admit that you've been defeated and move on with something else. So I'm going to do a swipe because, well, I can't go wrong with the swipes, can I? Well, you never know. Today might just be an off day for me for painting, and that also happens sometimes. Alright, let's put some color down here on this canvas. And then I'm going to do random swipes, I think. And again, you use whatever colors you want, or whatever colors you have. It looks okay. I might just want to add a little bit of neon yellow because I like yellow on my paintings. I've got the heat on in the background again, that's what you can hear. It is winter, so it is cold in here. I am getting some pretty cells popping up. That's what we are looking for always when we do these swipes. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, let's spin that out. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm not going to spin it any more than that. Just bring it down a little bit. It's very pretty, it's very colorful. What a mess I have now in this caravan. Right, so just give me just a moment just to sort this out, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. Okay, here it is. So very pretty colors, very pretty cells. It's got the 3D effect going on with these bubbles. They look like bubbles to me. And I think it turned out very pretty. Lovely colors in it. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Happy. Well, everyone, thank you very much for joining me today. You know, today is really just to show you that sometimes you try a technique, and for some reason, every attempt that you make to do this painting just doesn't turn out. Don't get upset. I mean, it's easy to get upset. Like me with the blooms, I get very upset with the blooms because I'm really still battling with the blooms. And you do get upset. I mean, you know, but, you know, if you're battling to get a technique to work, just go and scrape it off while it's still wet. Just scrape it off and do a technique that you are good at, or that you know, you can pretty much guarantee you'll get good results. And it just makes you feel better. I mean, I feel better now. I had 4 failed attempts this morning, and you know, I was getting annoyed with that, and now I'm really happy with this painting. I think it's very cool, and yeah, I feel better about myself now. Right, everyone. I will be back tomorrow. I'm actually on annual leave now for 2 weeks, so I'm going to be doing quite a lot of painting over the next 2 weeks while I'm on leave, and I'll be putting out lots of videos. So if you want to follow along, I would really appreciate it if you did. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and then my videos will pop up in your, you know, your front page of your YouTube when you open up your YouTube, and then you won't miss any of my videos. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, follow along, and let's create some beautiful art together. And everybody, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.